man. You me look on them and tell them again. Sound boy in a problem, man. Jesus Christ, after me look on the ratio of life and tell them the sound in a problem. Remember this original bad boy. The very first time my sound kill a jumper who sent for win no music federation because them want to know where the champion come from. But you me look on them and tell them again. My son was caught up in the middle of a sound clash when my selector get out of control and use a the plate and lick a sound boy down. And if I ever put one more dub on the turntable tonight, I saw them if you know say me I gon' murder something. You me look at them and tell them, yeah hear me, because me think a champion sound them a send come. When me look now one tin pan come, me think a big sound said them a send come. When me look no component said come, me play the first dub selector run up and down. Box man a fret all the owner a run. I saw them get free no say we a bad boy a town. Everywhere champion sound we run town. See after me look on them and look on the ratio of life and see them a go dead early out. Yeah me look on them and tell them, yeah hear me, the very first time my sound kill a jump and who sent for win no music federation because them want to know where the champion come from. Oh, you me look at them and tell them early out. My sound was caught up in the middle of a sound clash when my selector get out of control and use a the plate and lick a sound boy town. And if I ever put one more dub on the turntable tonight, and some me get free no say we a gonna murder something. But you me look at them and tell them, yeah hear me, Lord, say this the Rambo night that total recall. Go tell the boy them we run dance hall. We stand up from we button against no wall. Anything test, you know it a go fall. We not retreat and we not look back. Anything test the champion, we lick it down flat. Me think a champion, sound them a send come. When me look now a old timpan sound come, me think a big sound. The boy them a send come. When me look now a old pan jump and come. Step me look on the ratio of life and tell them, watch this. Murderation before the sundown. Anything test we put it under the ground. Tell them, say that we not beg no friend. We are champion sound. Run the dub them. Dub free dub we no in and nothing with them. Play we wanna dub and we not beg no friends. You have to look on them and tell them again, man. Yeah hear me, the very first time my sound kill a jump and who sent me win no music federation because them want to know where the champion come from. Here we look on them and tell them no papa. My son was caught up in the middle of a sound clash when my selector get out of control and use a the plate and lick a sound boy down. And if I ever put one more dub on the turntable tonight, and some me get free no say me a go kill something. You me look on them and tell them early out because me think a champion sound them a send come.